In this video we're going to look at how to calculate the number of cells in a solution using a hemocytometer. Now the question is set up as follows. We have a hemocytometer with a depth of 0.1 millimeters and the central square is 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter, and this has been divided into 25 smaller squares. Of these 25 smaller squares you have counted the cells present in 5 of them. In square 1 you have 22 cells, in square 2 you have 24 cells, square 3 you have 27 cells, square 4 you have 25 cells, and square 5 19 cells. So the first thing we need to do is add these numbers together. So 22 plus 24 plus 27 plus 25 plus 19. We add these together. 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9 is 27, so carry the 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, add in the 2 that was carried forward, gives us 11. So in the 5 squares we have a total of 117 cells. Now we've only counted 5 squares out of the 25 in the central square, so we need to multiply this number by 5. So we take 117, multiply it by 5. 5 by 7 is 35, so 5 carry the 3. 5 by 1 is 5, add the 3 gives us 8, and once 5 is 5, so the answer is 585 cells. So in the 25 squares there would be approximately 585 cells. Now the central square we know is 0.1 millimeter by 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter, so it has a volume of 0.1 cubic millimeters. Now if we write the millimeters as centimeters, we get 0.01 centimeters multiplied by 0.1 centimeters multiplied by 0.1 centimeters. And when we do the maths we get a value of 0.0001 cubic centimeters. And this is equivalent to 1 times 10 to the minus 4 cubic centimeters. As you know, we have 585 cells, and these 585 cells have to be in this 1 times 10 to the minus 4 cubic centimeters. Now, as a cubic centimeter is a mil, we can say that the 585 cells are present in 1 times 10 to the minus 4 mils. We now need to convert this to mils, so all we have to do is multiply the 585 by 10 to the power of 4. So we now know we have 585 times 10 to the 4 cells per mil. However, as you will see in the question, a 1 in 25 dilution was carried out before the cells were put onto the hemocytometer. Therefore we need to multiply this 585 by 25 by 10 to the 4, and this gives us an answer of 146,250,000 cells per mil. Now the final thing to note is the question is asked for the value expressed as cells in 10 to the power of 6. So therefore 146,250,000 is in fact 146.25 times 10 to the 6 cells per mil. And that's it. That is how you work out the number of cells present in a solution using a cell count from a hemocytometer.